Hi, in this video we're going to take a look how you can replace the spark plug for your Nissan X-Trail 2007. So here just remove the plug, so remove the thread and then pull up the plug like so. There are 4 of them on this engine, so just remove the threads and then pull up the plug right there. Now you're going to need to use a spark plug socket or a spark plug range. This is the spark plug that you need for your car. So this is the original spark plug I bought from the Nissan dealer. You can buy an aftermarket one or a genuine Nissan one, it doesn't matter. As long as it's compatible with your car, you can use it to replace the spark plug. So using the sockets, the right sockets, you can turn it anti-clockwise to open the 4 spark plug sockets using the sockets. So right there. So there will be a lot of turnings. Once you have loosened the spark plug, just use your hand to keep turning so that it comes out completely of your car. After that, we can twist and try to pull out the spark plug. So that's one coming out right there, as you can see. So keep doing this for the rest of the spark plugs. So there's 3 more left. So continue to twist and turn if you can't get it out. It might still screw into the engine. So as you can see, once you have given it enough turns, it will come out. Now this is a comparison between a new one and the old spark plugs from the engine. As you can see, the old one is worn out, and you can see there is a bigger gap on the old spark plug compared to the new one. As you can see, the new one have a closer or a smaller gap. Now after that, you can put the spark plug back into the engine. So just put the spark plug into the socket and then put it down just like so, and do that for 4 of the spark plugs hole available right there. So initially just use your hand and twist it in. You don't want to put it in the wrong thread, that can damage the engine. So just use your hand, and once you're comfortable that the spark plug has properly screwed in, then later you can use a wrench to secure it. So just do it gently so you don't damage the existing thread. Finally, we can use a wrench to tighten the spark plug. It doesn't need to be super tight, just as long as it is sufficiently tight screwing, then that's good enough. Now as you can see here, we are not using too much force, just gently tighten the spark plug into the engine. And after that, you can plug back the cover. So put it in the top, plug into the spark plug. Make sure you push it all the way down. and then finally you can bolt it in. So screw in the bolt. So that's how you can easily change the spark plug on your Nissan X-Trail 2007. It's quite simple. Having a new spark plug can definitely improve the performance of your car, especially the old spark plug can often give your car a misfire. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.